Hi guys, this is Ajay Ben, your Canon Master from Chennai. Here we are to check out the new Canon EOS R5, the newly launched camera, to check out its performance and the amazing features which Canon has released in this new flagship model. Being a wedding photographer where things happen in a fraction of a second, I should be always swift and I can't experiment too much because even if I waste a second, it's a moment lost forever. So I've always liked shooting with the light gear and a camera which is equipped to shoot in challenging conditions, and Canon cameras have become so advanced, and yet I like how easy it is to shoot using a Canon. As soon as I got the camera from Canon, the first thing I wanted to check out was the 8K feature Canon has brought into this camera for filming and videos. Yes, you heard it right, the EOS R5 has 8K RAW recording. Who would expect 8K to be there in such a compact camera, that too without a crop factor and 30 frames per second. And to all the slow motion lovers out there, including myself, we can now shoot some incredible slow motion videos at the rate of 120 fps in 4K. And with Canon's advanced continuous AF tracking, we need not worry about shooting videos in a shallow depth of field. The EOS R5 has a 45 megapixel full frame sensor where it's brilliant in capturing even the finest details, and added to this we have the new Digic X processor, which is well advanced and also incorporates noise processing innovations which are extremely useful for the picture clarity in even low light situations. So I wanted to test the low light performance of the EOS R5, so I chose a complete dark room with just one backlight to test its focusing ability and the clarity of the pictures, and the results were stunning, and the camera was tracking the subjects with so much ease, and also the light tracking especially was so accurate even in the wide angle shots where almost 80% of the room was dark. For us to shoot in really low light conditions, the EOS R5 has really good ISO range, which ranges up to 51,200, where the high resolution noise reduction processing gives us the flexibility to shoot in really challenging light conditions. Another great feature in the EOS R5 is the shutter speed, where we can shoot up to 12 fps in the mechanical shutter mode and up to 20 fps in the electronic shutter mode, where it is so silent where we don't even realize while shooting in the electronic shutter mode, and the advanced camera's autofocus helps us in attaining precise details in the high-speed images. The high-precision dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 has been enhanced in the EOS R5, which expands the autofocus coverage along the image to almost 100%, both horizontally and vertically, where this allows the camera to focus almost anywhere in the image. The autofocus system has some advanced features where it can track the body, face or the eyes of a subject even in some low light conditions for both animals and the people, and still maintain some high precision tracking. Apart from these major advancements, the EOS R5 has the dual card slots where we can use both the CF Express and the SD card, which is very helpful in filming the 8K RAW videos and also the high-speed continuous photos, and also the connectivity of the camera where it gives you multiple options where you can even upload it in cloud, and also the in-body 5-axis stabilization on the camera where it's useful while shooting using our bare hands. The EOS R5 is compact, it's fast, and it also has 8K RAW recording, and I feel it's one of the best choice for any wedding photographer, and the experience with this camera is simply amazing.